New this morning, at last check, the number of coronavirus cases in California is at 114. KSBY News reporter Asia Gore joins us live in studio with more on which demographic of people are most at risk. Good morning, Asia.
Good morning, Dustin. A majority of the documented cases of coronavirus involve adult patients. While there's still a lot to learn about the virus, a local pediatrician tells us children seem to be less vulnerable to the illness. As new cases of the novel coronavirus are reported around the globe, including here in California, parents increasingly concerned for their children's health. In China, most confirmed cases of the virus, formerly referred to as COVID-19, are observed in adult patients. While there are some reports of infected children, the Centers for Disease Control says those cases are limited.
It seems to attack people on the higher end of the spectrum where you're immune compromised in a way. So if you have other issues, it will hit you harder. So some people who are getting the coronavirus are not showing the harsh symptoms, the severe respiratory symptoms. It's coming on mild symptoms like common cold or flu, a mild flu. But if you have other medical issues, it's hitting you harder. And usually if you're on, older age, you have comorbidity, it's going to hit you harder.
Cough, fever, and shortness of breath are the most common symptoms of coronavirus. According to the CDC, the limited number of cases involving children suggests younger patients are experiencing more mild symptoms. Severe complications among kids, uncommon. However, children with underlying health conditions may have a higher risk for severe infection. There are currently no antiviral drugs recommended or licensed by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for coronavirus. Live in the studio, I'm Asia Gore, KSBY News.
Asia, thank you. And California Governor Gavin Newsom recently declared a state of emergency in California, which gives the state health officials easier access to public property like fairgrounds and helps protect against price gouging for items like hand sanitizers and masks.